Y'all better come get y'all one of these.
It's a chicken salad.
81st Deli?
Superior.
I will never know. I will never sell my soul. There's somewhere better, yeah. Streets of gold, that's my goal. I won't let up, no. Too much is on the line.
Hey everybody, babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with another video, and today we have Crumbl
cookie.
So yeah, so TikTok made me do it. So here in Jersey, I just found out that we have a Crumbl cookie. Never thought that we had a Crumbl cookie. So
they just brought it here.
So they just brought it here. So
2 weeks ago.
Brand new. So I have to try this. I have to do a review and a YouTube video. So we're gonna get into it. The box is pretty. Don't touch it.
Girl, it's about to slip.
So I don't know if y'all can see it, but we got 6 cookies. So we're gonna try it and get our best review. So we have 6. So what are the 6 cookies?
Okay, so we have milk chocolate chip.
This one.
That's that one. Oh yeah, it's that one.
Milk chocolate chip.
So we got milk chocolate chip. We got
that one was good.
Peanut butter.
Snickers. That one.
Blue Monster.
This one.
Oh, that's that? Oh, that look cute. Almond coconut fudge. Sugar cookie and honey cornbread. All right, so the first one that we're gonna try is the. Let's start off with something simple.
The chocolate chip.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna cut it.
Make sure it's even.
Make sure it's even.
If you got siblings, bro, if you know, you know. You gotta make sure everything is the same amount.
Listen, I'm giving you the bigger piece.
Ooh, it's giving thickiana.
It's chewy inside. Ready? One.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Y'all better come get y'all one of these.
It's a chicken salad.
81st Deli?
Superior.
Here and get one of these.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
From where?
81st Deli.
What's on it?
Superior salad.
No, that's good.
It's very chewy. Right. Y'all.
Are we gonna eat a whole cookie?
Y'all. It's very chewy.
Okay, Crumbl. Y'all better stop playing.
I would give that one.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
That one is an 8 out of 10. Very thick, chewy. 8, yeah. 8 out of 10. It's sweet. It's too sweet. Next, let's do I want to try the peanut butter one.
Okay.
All right.
What was that?
So it's a peanut butter snickerdoodle. Right? Right here.
Okay, yeah.
Wait. But that chocolate was good.
That chocolate one was good.
All right, get yours.
Okay, this is the peanut butter
Snickerdoodle.
Yeah.
It's good.
I don't like peanuts.
I realized all other cookies are really thick.
It's good though.
It's good. What it called?
It was a chocolate chip.
The chocolate chip one is way sweeter than that one, but that one's really good. So I would give that a 7. I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
This one had the same sweetness. I mean, no, this one had the same.
I kind of like this one more though
because it's not that sweet.
Because it's not sweet. All right, y'all. So this is the almond coconut fudge. These cookies is dense. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm not a chocolate person, so I don't know how I'm gonna like this. Almond coconut fudge.
Yeah.
Cheers. Nope. 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 I like that.
You see.
See, the thing is, you know how
that cookie, I didn't know what it's supposed to do.
I would give it like a 2. No, I'll give it a 3 out of 10. It's not
3 because once again I like chocolate.
It's not giving what it's supposed to give.
But it's the type of chocolate they use. It's just.
Next, we're gonna try the blue monster cookie. Y'all, if y'all watching this, if you in Jersey, Central Jersey, we finally have a Crumbl cookie. Oh, that's pretty.
That is pretty. I'll give them like. That's pretty.
Ready? I mean, okay. I'm not a cream person. I don't like icing. But the combination with the cookie is good. Yeah. Okay. I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. 7. How you feel?
I don't know. Like
the cream throwing me off a little bit.
It's not throwing me off.
Cause I don't like cream and stuff, but
I give it a 6. So I see what they were trying to do, but it's just like kind of like the chocolate chip, just putting icing over it.
Yeah,
it's still good. It's still really good.
The blue monster is like a chocolate chip. You put icing over it, so it's like, yeah. We're gonna do, which one is this?
That's the sugar cookie.
Next, we're gonna do the sugar cookie. Let's show them.
There's a little Halloween stuff. That's cute.
Isn't it cute?
Their presentation is pretty good.
When you first bite it, it's like, I don't know. But as like you chew it, it's like, okay. Like I see, okay. I like the texture of it. It's like gritty. It's kind of like gritty.
I give it a 5. They ain't doing too much.
What? Let me see.
They ain't really doing too much. It tastes like flour. Feels like a sweet ass flour. I say 5 out of 10. It's still good though.
I'll give it 5.
You see what I'm saying?
So good. So last but not least, we have the honey cornbread cookie.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
The honey cornbread cookie.
Honey cornbread cake.
Honey cornbread cake cookie. Now, I was seeing this one, and a lot of
people like this one.
No, like the ones that I saw, a lot of people didn't like it.
Really? I've seen a lot of people like it.
So this is the honey cornbread cookie, and I hope this is like.
I hope they don't disappoint me. We can't go outside.
Yeah, we can't. I'm gonna just break it.
Yeah, just break it, cause
I feel like this is gonna be too sweet.
I feel like it too.
All of them sweet.
Okay.
Ready? Ugh, I like cream. 1, 2, 3. I don't really like it.
It's giving cornbread low key.
The flavor's good, but it's overly sweet. It's like, it's giving cornbread.
I like it. Damn.
But
it's good.
It's good. But as far as like, it's too sweet for me. So out of all half a dozen cookies, out of all, my favorite was the chocolate chip and the peanut butter snickerdoodle. Yeah. Okay. Alright guys, thank you Royal Base for watching. This was a short video, but we had to try these cookies because it was going viral and we're probably late, but oh well. If you are in the Jersey Central area, we finally have a Crumbl cookie, so you must go try it. It is worth it. Like, I'm not gonna lie. It is worth it. So yeah girl. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please turn on the post notification so you can see when I post again. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. I gotta go brush my teeth. Bitch, let's go.
I won't let up, no, too much is on the line.